Hi. So yeah, my name is Dustin Larimer. I'm from KeenIO. I'm a designer, and I've been masquerading as an engineer for a little while now. KeenIO is an API for analytics. So we offer API endpoints to record arbitrary events and all the properties that might describe that event over and over and over again, and collect them all up in big piles, and then analyze those piles of events and turn those analyses into charts. So very simply, that's what we do. We have APIs to collect, analyze, and then visualize things that are happening in your apps or with hardware or anywhere that you can really connect data to our API. So it can be tractors, devices, hardware, websites, mobile apps, Arduinos, all kinds of cool stuff. And so what I wanted to come share are some of the open source projects that we've been working on that kind of plug in at the bottom of this stack on the visualization component, where people want to pull out charts, pull out graphics of what's happening inside of their event collections and share them with each other, build dashboards, explore that data, make it meaningful, and then share it with their teammates or their customers. So we've been building a lot of really cool open source projects specifically for that, and that's what I wanted to share. This is a set of pages that we launched on GitHub a couple weeks ago. It's at our new Keen.org on GitHub, repos, dashboards, and what we realized was that a lot of our users that are creating dashboards aren't trying to create incredibly robust, super powered, crazy dashboards with lots of little time sliders and effects and stuff. They just want something to catch a bunch of charts, and they might mean something for a week or for a product launch or something, and then they kind of throw it away. And so we realized that dashboards are, in a lot of cases, disposable, and so we wanted to make very easy, quick layouts that people could fire up and drop our JavaScript library in. And so that's what we created. This is probably a sharper demo here. Just simple layout framework built on Bootstrap, uses different placeholders, and very easy way to just pop up a simple framework, throw it on a TV or on your monitor, email it to people. They're responsive, does all kinds of cool stuff. So these are just simple layouts that we've kind of generated, that we've encountered these common layout challenges. So we've just done the work and open sourced the layout framework, and that's pretty simple. And we've built a bunch of examples on top of this as well, just to kind of demonstrate what you can do with these things. So dropping in custom visualizations, using Mapbox, doing lots of geo mapping, funnels, all kinds of cool stuff. One that caught a lot of interest recently, when we launched this dashboard starter kit repo, it kind of went crazy for a couple of days. I think we hit 3,700 stars within like a week and a half. It was the #1 trending repo on GitHub for a couple of days. We were ahead of like 3 of the biggest companies on the planet for a little while. That was kind of fun. But we built this other demo, this Geo Explorer, which uses part of our API that we're excited to demo more going forward. But this is the geo filtering component of the API. So when you save events to us, you can include geo coordinates with those events, and then when you query them back, you can query within a certain radius of any given point. And so this demo lets you very simply just go build out a different radius. It updates these charts, so it's kind of an interactive geo dashboard. You can go back in time, go back a few months, run it again, and now all of these charts are representing the data that's coming back in these queries. So this is another one that we've included in this repo. It's all open source, the code's all there, go play with it. We've cleaned it up and tried to make it easier to just hack on these things. What's coming up next, we're really excited about. A big part of our service is our Workbench. When you log in, log into your projects and you want to see the events that are coming in, and you want to explore and dive into that data and see what it has for you. That Workbench in the past, it hasn't gotten a lot of love. It's had a lot of eye rolling and griping about certain things that were lacking. So we've completely rebuilt the thing from the ground up. We've worked with some really awesome people outside of the company to build some really cool new stuff. It's built on React. It's got new charting functionalities. It does all kinds of cool stuff. You'll be able to name, save, and share queries, pull them back up, load them into dashboards. So this Workbench has been completely re-envisioned, and we're going to open source this as well. So you'll be able to pull this down, throw your logo on it, and give it to your customers, distribute it internally to all of your teams. We're really excited about that as well. This is just kind of a peek of it now. It's currently being piloted, so if you're using us now and you want to check it out, we can turn that on for you, and you can go take a look. Just hit me up afterward and let me know. So this is the next thing we're really excited to release, and we think people are going to have a lot of fun with it. And we're excited to see what they do. So this is the repo where it exists, proof. It's going to be open sourced. It lives in GitHub. But that's it. Thank you.